Apple announced iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus featuring an industry-first color-infused back glass with a stunning textured matte finish and a new contoured edge on the aluminum enclosure. Both models feature the dynamic island and an advanced camera system designed to help users take fantastic photos of everyday moments in their lives. A powerful 48MP main camera enables super high resolution photos and a new 2x telephoto option to give users a total of 3 optical zoom levels, like having a third camera. The iPhone 15 lineup also introduces the next generation of portraits, making it easier to capture portraits with great detail and low light performance. With A16 Bionic for powerful proven performance, a USB-C connector, precision finding for Find My Friends, and industry-leading durability features, iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus represent a huge leap forward. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will be available in 5 colors: pink, yellow, green, blue, and black. Pre-orders begin Friday, September 15, with availability beginning Friday, September 22. Available in 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch display sizes, iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus feature the Dynamic Island, an innovative way to interact with important alerts and live activities. The elegant experience fluidly expands and adapts so users can see the next direction in maps, easily control music, and with third-party app integrations, get real-time updates on food delivery, ride sharing, sports scores, travel plans, and more. The Super Retina XDR display is great for watching content, streaming Apple Fitness Plus workouts, and playing games. Peak HDR brightness now reaches up to 1600 nits, so HDR photos and videos look better than ever. And when in sunny, peak outdoor brightness reaches up to 2000 nits, twice as bright as the previous generation. Both models feature a sophisticated new look that is built to last. For the first time in a smartphone, color is infused throughout the back glass, creating 5 beautiful colors. The back glass is tinted with an optimized dual ion exchange process before being polished with nanocrystalline particles and etched to create a luxurious textured matte finish. A new contoured edge on the aerospace-grade aluminum enclosure feels even nicer in users' hands, and the ceramic shield front cover continues to be tougher than any other smartphone glass. With a water and dust-resistant design and industry-leading durability features, iPhone lasts and holds its value longer than any other smartphone. Plus, the internal design provides powerful sustained performance while improving ease and affordability of repairs. The advanced camera system on iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus helps users capture everyday moments and cherished memories. A 48MP main camera shoots sharp photos and videos while capturing fine details with a quad-pixel sensor and 100% focus pixels for fast autofocus. Using the power of computational photography, the main camera gives users a new 24MP super high resolution default, offering incredible image quality at a practical file size ideal for storing and sharing. By intelligently integrating hardware and software, an additional 2x telephoto option gives users 3 optical quality zoom levels, 0.5x, 1x, 2x, for the first time on an iPhone dual camera system. Next generation portraits on iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus feature sharper detail, more vivid colors, and improved low light performance. For the first time, users can take portraits without having to switch to portrait mode. When there is a person, dog, or cat in the frame, or when a user taps to focus, iPhone automatically captures depth information so users can turn photos into stunning portraits later in the Photos app on iPhone, iPad, or Mac. For greater creative control, users can also adjust the focus point after the photo has been taken. Shooting at night gets better with improvements to night mode, including sharper details and more vivid colors. When lighting is bright or uneven, new Smart HDR captures subjects and the background with more true-to-life renderings of skin tones, while ensuring photos have brighter highlights, richer mid-tones, and deeper shadows when viewed in the Photos app. This advanced HDR rendering is also available to third-party apps, so images can look even better when shared online. These improvements benefit the 48 MP main camera, ultra-wide camera, and true depth front camera. The fast and efficient A16 Bionic chip brings proven performance to iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, powering the dynamic island, computational photography capabilities, and more. With 2 high-performance cores that use 20% less power and 4 high-efficiency cores, 6-core CPU is faster than the previous generation and easily handles intensive tasks while delivering extraordinary battery life. The 5-core GPU has 50% more memory bandwidth for smooth graphics when streaming videos and playing games. A new 16-core neural engine is capable of nearly 17 trillion operations per second, enabling even faster machine learning computations for features like live voicemail transcriptions in iOS 17 and third-party app experiences, all while protecting critical privacy and security features using the secure enclave. The iPhone 15 lineup offers convenient new ways to charge, find friends in busy places, and stay connected while traveling. Both models use a USB-C connector, a universally accepted standard for charging and transferring data, allowing the same cable to charge iPhone, Mac, iPad, and the updated AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Users can also charge AirPods or Apple Watch directly from iPhone with a USB-C connector. Both models support MagSafe and future QI2 chargers for wireless charging. Both models feature the 2nd generation ultra-wideband chip, enabling 2 iPhone devices with this chip to connect at 3 times the range as before. This opens up a new way to use precision finding for Find My Friends, so iPhone 15 users can share their location and find each other even in crowds. iPhone 15 models continue to deliver a high-quality, super-fast 5G experience and improved audio quality on phone calls, including those made on FaceTime or third-party apps. Sound quality gets even better when users select voice isolation to come through loud and clear, even if they are somewhere noisy. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus have eSIM, a more convenient and secure alternative to a physical SIM card, with support from more than 295 carriers. When traveling the world, users can stay connected through affordable international roaming plans from their existing carrier or purchase prepaid eSIM plans in over 50 countries and regions, including Australia, Italy, Thailand, and more. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus feature iOS 17, making iPhone even more personal and intuitive with new capabilities. The phone app gets major updates with contact posters, which allows users to customize how they appear to their contacts, and live voicemail, which leverages the power of A16 Bionic to see real-time on-device transcription as someone leaves a voicemail. Users can even pick up the call while the caller is leaving their message. Messages gets a new stickers experience, more powerful search, transcription of audio messages, and check-in, which allows users to automatically notify friends and family when they have made it to their destination safely. Name drop gives users a new way to use AirDrop to more easily share contact information by simply bringing 2 iPhone devices together. The same gesture can be used to AirDrop content and more. Standby gives users a customizable full-screen experience with glanceable information designed to be viewed from a distance when iPhone is on its side and charging. With support for live activities, Siri, incoming calls, and larger notifications, Standby is perfect for a nightstand, kitchen counter, or desk. iOS 17 delivers many more updates, including Journal, a new app that helps iPhone users reflect and practice gratitude through journaling, improvements to autocorrect and dictation, greater protection for private browsing in Safari, password and passkey sharing with iCloud keychain, pet recognition in photos, and much more. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are designed with the environment in mind. As Apple continues to work toward its 2030 goal of making every product carbon neutral, from design to manufacturing to customer use, the company is prioritizing clean electricity across the entire supply chain and designing products with recycled and other low carbon materials. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus now use even more recycled content with 100% recycled cobalt in the battery and 100% recycled copper in the main logic board, copper wire in the Taptic engine, and copper foil in the inductive charger in MagSafe, all first for iPhone. Both models also include 75% recycled aluminum in the enclosure, 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets, and 100% recycled gold in the USB-C connector, as well as the gold plating and tin soldering in multiple printed circuit boards. Over 99% of the packaging is fiber-based, bringing Apple closer to its goal of completely removing plastic from its packaging by 2025. To further reduce impact on the planet, Apple will no longer use leather in any new Apple products, including iPhone accessories. Apple is introducing a new fine woven case with MagSafe and a fine woven wallet with MagSafe. The material is made from 68% post-consumer recycled content and has significantly lower carbon emissions compared to leather.